could fly.
What's going on, guys? Arch King here for another YouTube video, and today we're going to be unboxing something for the Revo project. Just last episode we took all the gas related stuff and basically just fully stripped it. So yeah, today we got unboxing. Today we're unboxing something from Hobby Wing, and if you can't guess what it is, it's the combo. It's the 1/8 scale combo. So yeah, let's get into it. So I see a note. Thanks, Archie. Can't wait to see what you come up with. So that's obviously not standard. That's just for me because I have a YouTube channel, and yeah, I think this is the receipt. Why is there? Oh, is the packaging slip? Oh shoot! They gave me a hut. That's sick, dude. I was not expecting that whatsoever. Well, I know what to wear in my next video. And here's the money shot, guys. This is like a cross-cut in a good cooked state. Look at that, dude. This is not light either, dude. I'm gonna be honest, this box is as nice as like an iPhone box. If you guys have ever opened an iPhone, or even a Samsung too, basically any new electronic, this is nice. When I got my ESC for my Slash, it was not this nice, dude. I don't know if they've upped their game, but they've done something right in this product. There it is, guys. There's the ESC and the motor. So let's take those out. So let's open them up. This is it's so funny, but I love when there's boxes inside of boxes, especially when they have seals, because I just love just getting and opening those seals. Just something satisfying about it, but I just love the seals. If I ever get the new track system onto Desert Racer, we might have to get one of these combos for it. Look at that, dude. That ESC is not small. That's huge compared to a Slash ESC. What I love about their combos is they come pre-soldered, so you don't have to worry about soldering connectors on. Just such a nice ESC. Especially for the money, dude. This is such, if you're ever buying a 1/8 scale system, maybe for like you bought a brushed Revo, or you bought a brushed Emax or anything, or even the new Traxxas UDR, if you have any problems with those motors, or you just want to upgrade, I would definitely recommend this. 2,200 kV. Here's the money shot, guys. Oh, that is a massive, dude, literally. Look at the size of that, dude. That's holy crap. It's massive. This thing is gonna have no problem pushing around the Revo. Let me just get a ruler. Including with the shaft, it's almost 9.5 centimeters long. So that's not a small motor. It's a thick shaft too. So yeah, guys, let's see what else. Hang on. So yeah, this is basically everything you get in the combo. You get obviously the ESC and the motor. You get a free programming card, which I find nice because I find some ESCs and stuff you have to buy a programming card after the fact. But once you buy a couple Hobby Wing things, you do end up getting a couple extra programming cards, but that's always fine to have a couple extras. Then we get this bag of goodies, which has an extra fan, some motor mount or an ESC plate to mount it, the chassis. I'm not sure, I just emailed Hobby Wing, I'm not 100% sure. If they get back before I post this video, I will put what that black thing is. It's either a glitch buster or like a voltage cap, or some sort of like power pack, and then a sticky double-sided tape if you do not want to use the ESC bracket. You just stick it to the chassis, and some zip ties and some hardware. I'm pretty sure the hardware is for these screws at top, or it's to the screws for the ESC mounting plate. You also get some stickers, which I love. You can never have enough stickers, to be honest. And some paperwork, obviously. So yeah, guys, thanks. Huge shout out to Hobbywing. Use this code to get a discount at checkout, so you can build some epic RCs, dude. And if you do use the discount code, hit me up, dude. Send on Instagram. Send me pictures of your rigs. Send me pictures of your Hobbywing powered rigs, and possibly get a shout out. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Huge shout out to Hobbywing. Subscribe, turn bell notifications on. Remember, check out Hobbywing's website. Use the discount code. See you in the next one.
Hey yo, crank it!